Solo and Shayne, 2000 and serious.
Never trust anyone that wants what you've got. Friends or foe, envy is an overwhelming emotion. Can't trust them.
You can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some bad mind friends, you can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some fake girlfriends.
They only want your paper, they only want your money, they only want your friendship when they play sunny, yeah. Bad mind is a deadly thing, but alright. Me they are still a wally fear. Nah, watch nobody cause I might think me want to elevate. Never tell her straight, enough for them fear. Bad mind want me dead, true me nah pre them. Me just a pray a better life, I that I beat them, defeat them. Me no care if you drive in a Benz or Bima, as long as my mommy get the heat or dinner.
You can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some bad mind friends, you can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some fake girlfriends.
They only want your paper, they only want your money, they only want your friendship when they play sunny, yeah. Bad mind is a deadly thing.
Alright. See the girl that you thought you can trust, she's on her back while her next man a boss. She says she loves you but she don't give a fuck. I'm a real nigga, never judge a book by its cover. Real pretty face, undercover, introduce you to my mother and you're still my brother. But now I got a new girl, never trust her cause the switch turn you back and make another brother. You can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some bad mind friends, you can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some fake girlfriends.
They only want your paper, they only want your money, they only want your friendship when they play sunny, yeah. Bad mind is a deadly thing.
Hard work and sweat put food on the plate. This is our destiny, this is our fate. Always advising keep away from the snakes. It's a dodgy world, better know your place.
Definitely, never trust anyone that wants what you've got. Friends or foe, envy is an overwhelming emotion. Yeah, can't trust them.
You can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some bad mind friends, you can't trust them, you can't trust them. Some fake girlfriends.
They only want your paper, they only want your money, they only want your friendship when they play sunny, yeah. Bad mind is a deadly thing.